はい、こんにちは。The Japanese 101 Particle Review is a series of videos, and this is the first one. In this video, we review the particles we use in the X は Y です pattern. The goal is to review the particles we've learned in the Japanese 101 videos and make sure that we understand the basics to prepare for moving on to the next level. Let's review the wa, ka, ne, mo, and no particle. I am a student. 私は学生です。私は学生です。Wa is the topic marker. It marks the topic of the sentence. It can be translated as for me. Mr. Nekota, are you a teacher? 猫田さんは先生ですか？猫田さんは先生ですか？ Ka is the question marker. We put the ka particle at the end of the sentence to turn it into a question. Miss Tama, too, is a teacher. タマさんも先生です。タマさんも先生です。In Japanese 101, we learned one of the functions of the mo particle that it means to or also. For example, タマさんは先生です simply means Miss Tama is a teacher. But we can replace wa with mo and say タマさんも先生です which now means Miss Tama too is a teacher. Miss Tama is cute, isn't she? タマさんはかわいいですね。タマさんはかわいいですね。In Japanese 101, we learned one of the functions of the ne particle, which is added to the end of a sentence when the speaker is seeking the listener's agreement. For example, タマさんはかわいいです simply means Miss Tama is cute. But if I want to seek agreement from the listener or want to have some sense of togetherness, I can add ne at the end of a sentence and say タマさんはかわいいですね which now means Miss Tama is cute, isn't she? Miss Tama's friend is an English teacher. タマさんの友達は英語の先生です。タマさんの友達は英語の先生です。The function of the no particle in タマさんの友達 is a possessive marker. It's just like the apostrophe s in Miss Tama's friend. The function of the no particle in 英語の先生 is an attribute marker. Attribute is like the specific information of the main idea. In this example, English is an attribute of teacher. So, English teacher is 英語の先生. Japanese teacher is 日本語の先生. And business teacher is ビジネスの先生. Today we reviewed the particles we can use for the X は Y です pattern. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. ありがとうございます。